Electricity explained. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Albert Einstein. My TV. Me. Black hole to bend light. Sir, what's the difference between diameter and a radius? A radius. Sir? Normal distribution. Paranormal distribution. I don't believe in science. I believe in science. I don't believe in science. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and Seal Papa will let you head pat him. What we see. What animals with a color range larger than ours see? Roses are red, roses are blue, depending on their velocity relative to you. Doctor, what happens after we die? We clean the bed and admit a new patient. If no one comes from the future to stop you from doing it, then how bad can it be? There are more hydrogen atoms in a single molecule of water than there are stars in the entire solar system. If we move to Mars, we'll have to learn physics once again. Parasite. Steals essential nutrients from host. Host. Dies. Parasite. The moment sun will explode. 8 minutes later. Then the 92nd cook built his house out of depleted uranium and the wolf was like, "Curse just act then. Biology, physics, medicine, psychology, sociology. Of course I've got you covered on everything CNC. Curse just act now. Only fringe theories on black holes and nuclear bombs please." We are alone in the universe. We are not alone in the universe. Discovering something new. Physics, chemistry, biology. Zootopia 2. Biologists. The what? Did you know? NASA only uses 15 digits of pi for calculating interplanetary travel. At 40 digits, you could calculate the circumference of a circle the size of the visible universe with an accuracy that'd fall off by less than the diameter of a hydrogen atom. Your reaction when you are an engineer who only uses 3 digits of pi to build a skyscraper. Mars, come over. NASA, can't. Severely underfunded. Mars, I'm wet. NASA. Why has no one ever experimented with placing cement in the mouth of volcanoes considered active, as in the image, or heavy metal rocks, and when erupting the lava would be blocked, preventing deaths and accidents? Cement. Saw a cool bird and googled what it was called. Mayo, I hate ornithologists. Blackbird with yellow head. Yellow-headed blackbird. Do you think it's possible for someone to actually be very intelligent, but poor at articulating the point they are trying to make, so they come across as stupid? Have you met engineers? Nothing is made to be broken. Glycogen. Carbon fiber being a fraction of the weight of steel and multiple times stronger, in one direction. How I saw bees as a child. How I see bees as an adult. Bigfoot footage. Number of higher quality photos of UFO. Number of cameras. Giant squid footage. Trees. Getting all the credit. Algae, which produce 60% of oxygen. A new shape called the scutoid has been discovered in our cells. I'm so happy I'm out to high school. Imagine having to find the area of a damn scutoid. Finally found a paper that addresses exactly the research questions I have been investigating for so long. It's paywalled, and not available from alternative sources either. Healthy food, junk food. Designers. Look, we have similar ideas. No, you stole my idea. Programmers. Man, I stole your code. It's not my code. Pinocchio would be a great tool for science, since his nose grows every time he makes a wrong statement. Therefore he can test any hypothesis. Sand when it gets above 3090 degrees. Let me be clear. Watcha got their gym? Transport proteins. Get it because it's a cell wall. Oh my god. Physics teachers carefully putting kilometers per hour instead of meters per second to waste time of the students. Doing algebra. Things start cancelling out. More things cancel out. X equals X. These tests are way too easy. Syntax error. Water 1 kilometer. Water 1 mile. Americans. But the Americans are right. A mile is less than a kilometer. 1 mile equals 1.6 kilometer. Electron. Behaves as a wave. Human being. Watches closer. Electron. Well, now I'm not doing it. Since hair can't be preserved in fossils, we can't rule out the possibility that dinosaurs looked like this. Does your dog bite? No, but it can hurt you in other ways. Colonizing the solar system is probably the endgame for space exploration. It'll likely never be viable to send anything to other star systems. According to the law of infinite probability, one day this should occur. What Einstein is known for? Theory of relativity. Photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect that won him a Nobel Prize. Normal distribution. Chemists in 1925. I'm going to pipette H2SO4 using my mouth. Chemists now. Help. 0.00001 acetic acid fell on my glove. Doctor, sir, the surgery has a 50% survival rate, but don't worry, my last 20 patients have all survived. Normal people. Mathematician. Scientist. Seafarer writers. Acids. Bases. Math is a natural phenomenon. Math is a human invention. Philosophers and scientists, since the dawn of humanity. Me finding out that a horse actually has 15 horsepower. Table held up by bucket resting on it. Physics. Somewhere in the world, a physics professor writes the perfect exam question. 10% of individuals aged 85 and older are at risk of developing Alzheimer. Smoking reduces life expectancy to 66 years. Smoking reduces the risk of Alzheimer. I'll study at 6 p.m. I'll study at 7 p.m. I prefer to study during the night. I'll just get up early tomorrow and study. What is spin? Exactly. It's like when a ball spins, but it's not a ball. And it doesn't spin. Me at 3 a.m. imagining how I would do CPR on a giraffe instead of sleeping. Throwback to the time when Jack Sparrow broke the laws of physics. X and Y in the I alphabet. X and Y in math. X and Y in Minecraft. X and Y in genetics. I can grow on ducking concrete. Oh no, the pH of the soil is too high, I'm dying. This meme demonstrates the importance of sample size better than any science teacher I have ever had. 5 stars. 19. 4.6 stars. 2280. Every stock image of chemical reactions is just glassware filled with colored water and dry ice. What flat earthers see on a clear day? He's probably thinking about other girls. How doesn't man breathe once he gets smaller than an air molecule? 1 gram. 15 grams. Why don't they make bulletproof vests out of diamond if it is the hardest metal? Cause it's too heavy. 1 gram of diamond weighs something like 15 grams. What do you work as? I'm a chemist. Can you? No. Neil Armstrong. Buzz Aldrin. The third one. When humans bring you out from the deep sea to cause you horrific mutations with your body and still call you the ugliest animal. Sad blobfish noises. This kid's going places. Do plants sneeze? Hypothesis. Plants probably sneeze. Experiment. Feathers. Pepper. Feet. Conclusion. Plants don't sneeze. Teacher, if Dementor's a race with 4 other people, what is the probability of him winning? Me, 50%. Teacher, how is it 50%? Me, he either wins or he loses. Sometimes my genius is. It's almost frightening. Physics. Math. Some cool theory you don't understand. Me not trusting my calculator's order of operations. A science teacher's worst fear. Today I said orgasm instead of organism. In front of 13-year-olds. Remember these guys? This is them now. Feel old yet? Why does meteor craters look like this? And not like this? Hiram Maxim, the inventor of the automatic machine gun, became deaf from test firing his weapons so much. As a result, his son became the inventor of the silencer. Join the resistance. Oh. Sci-fi movies. Shit they can't explain. Quantum. Calm. Genetics in the movies. World domination. Genetics in real life. We made a domesticated fox. Look at it giggle. Charles Darwin. Publishing numerous studies on the benefits of genetic diversity. Having 10 children with your cousin. What really goes on in the engineering department? My immune system raises body temperature to fight infection. Me takes medicine to lower body temperature. My immune system. I love old science fiction. They have stories that begin it's the distant year 2003 and humans are exploring the deep corners of the universe. God bless you old sci-fi. You had such high hopes for us. Here is what we found out so far. Can't be sure if it's 100% correct though. Other fields of science. Here are 20 theories that might all be true. Pick one. Psychology. I just personally don't agree with radiation poisoning. You held a rock and now you feel bad? Grow up. When you accidentally drink acid, but immediately also drink alkali to neutralize it. Chemist. Types of atom in the universe. Element mental illnesses. Why would we be at the center of our observable universe? Truly mysteries like this can only be explained by a creator. Aristotle was right. The earth is at the center of the universe. Observable universe. The earth must be at the center. Aristotle. Tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you guys how to copy and paste. Firstly let's learn about CTRL. The CTRL key short for can't. Tutorial. CTRL plus C. CTRL plus V. Thanks for watching. Come on. It's not rocket science. Come on. It's not music theory. A virus? Not on my watch. Ha. Try to survive a fever if you can. Did you see that? Guys? Am I a problem solver or what? Guys? People giving plants and animals credit. Fungi. Fungi doing everything. Fungi literally being the foundation of all life on Earth. Richard Feynman's most famous course at Caltech was called Physics X. It was open to undergraduates only. The only instructions were ask me anything about physics, and Feynman would take it from there. When you accidentally drink chlorine that is poisonous, but you eat sodium so they mix and form a salt. Mind size. Mega. If God wanted us to have unlimited free energy he'd have put a giant fusion reactor in the sky. What quantum physics does to a man. Max Planck in 1878. Max Planck in 1901. An annual reminder on how to detox. 1. Own a liver. 2. Own a kidney, if possible 2. 3. Done. Your January detox essential. It's time to deorbit. Was I a good space station? No. You were the best, and it was an honor to work with you. Don't chase your dreams. Humans are persistence hunters. Follow your dreams at a sustainable pace until they get tired and lie down. My girlfriend. Me. An astronomer. People talking about horoscope and stuff. Buy 1 kilogram pure mercury. 100 euros per kilograms. Whoa, it's shiny. I can see my face in it. Take off 1 proton per atom. Be careful. Electrons might hurt you. They are very fast. Plastic tweezers not to get electrocuted by proton. Now you got 1 kilogram of pure gold. 35,000 euros per kilograms. I can still see my face on it. Repeat until you are rich. Do we have a doctor here? Yes, I'm a doctor. What's your specialty? I'm a doctor in mathematics. My friend is dying. -1. Canadian kids wearing shorts when it's 10 degrees Celsius outside. Australian kids wearing jackets when it's 30 degrees Celsius out. American kids not understanding the meme because they don't know what Celsius is. Hey Jimmy, where's your atomic model? Oh no, that's due today. I completely forgot. Do I at least get 99.99999% partial credit for empty space? Dinosaurs. Dinosaur bones. Fossil fuel. Petroleum. Polypropylene plastic. Plastic dinosaurs. I bet he's thinking about other girls. Plastic dinosaurs are real dinosaurs. This sign in front of my classroom. Observe. Engineers in their natural habitat. Please do not lap on glass or make eye contact with them as engineers are easily frightened by normal people. Please do not feed the engineers as they are on a strict diet of energy drinks and cold pizza. The closest we can see DNA right now. Just zoom in on the picture to see it closer. Normal people with a time machine. I'm your granddaughter. Really? Legends with a time machine. Nice party, Mr. Hawking. How sharks are portrayed in the media. Sharks in real life. I'ma do a swim. Blub blub. How dolphins are portrayed in the media. Dolphins in real life. I just visited a physics PhD student at Harvard University. One of the smartest people in the world. Here's their bedroom. I don't know what gravity is. Gravity is just the curvature of space-time. We don't know. Shut up. Yes, my PhD is real for duck's sake, and I'm telling you we don't know jack shit. Do you have any ducking clue how hard this line of work is? It's been over 70 years, and there's been duck all progress. Every day I wake up and make up lies and publish papers about quantum Fruit Loops or nth dimensional silly strings, wasting away in an underfunded lab and dealing with dumbass sacks of shit like you. I cold bean something. I could have made my parents proud, but of course I waste 11 years in school only to end up in the one unresolved corner of physics making 57,000 a year. What is gravity? Shut the duck up. Gravity is the process that will turn my body limp when I decide to end it all. Wait, don't leave yet, let me give a quick demonstration. According to science, alcohol is a solution. Did you know? Saturn have a very low density. If you place it in the Pacific Ocean, we will all die. There's a universe inside of you. This is definitely tuberculosis. If science is influenced by politics or business, it's not science. It's politics and business. Marvel: Infinity War is the most ambitious crossover event in history. Physics. Me handling diluted chemicals in 8th grade chemistry. Astronauts visiting unknown planets for first time in alien movies. If we put a giant mirror 10 light years away from Earth and looked at it through a telescope, theoretically we'd see 20 years into the past. When you time travel to see cool dinosaurs, but forgot to account for the Earth and Sun moving through space. Yes, I'm majoring in biochemistry. How did you know? Also them. Evolution is a lot like language. You don't see the small changes at first, but over time, the changes add up until two people are speaking different languages. Well, actually, I believe in the Tower of Babel.